Before we start drawing, last time I drew Cuphead from Cuphead. Today we're gonna draw a Christmas dog. To start the dog, we'll start with the cute, adorable face. I'm leaving the bottom empty because we need to draw the body and it must be outlined. Now the eyes, starting with 2 circles and make 2 smaller circles inside. Then color in the eyes, but not touch the dots in the eyes. Okay, now it's time to make the nose, I think. Don't forget to color in that nose. Now the mouth, starting with a big smiley face and then make a U in the middle of it and an upside down U in it, and then probably later on you'll see it colored in. Then we're going to draw the ears. Sorry, looking so adorable. Now the body. Just follow after me. If you're wondering why I'm keeping that space empty, it's probably because I'm making the cute, adorable belt for the outfit. Now we're gonna make the paws, but from the dog. Okay. Now you'll do the same thing I did for the rest of the body. Now, of course, we need to create the back legs of the dog. I almost forgot. We need to add lines on the paws, or else it's not going to be his paws. Now we're going to draw the elf costume. Wait, no. Oh, I almost forgot. Put that tail on so it can be a true dog. Now we'll add its hat, starting with a triangle, and make sure you leave up a spot on the top. Pretend that pom-pom is continuing on the top. Just don't care about what happens. Okay, here comes the perch. We're going to draw the color of his outfit, starting with 2 sideways U's. And then here comes the best part, the belt! Start with adding the lines there and then crossing them together. Now we're going to create the little golden square. Make sure you make a square in the middle so we can make the thing. Now we're going to draw the lines for the outfit, so you can be much more cuter. Oh, I just realized now that I don't need those lines on his back legs because they would be pants for him, and I don't want pants. Pants would just be wrong. And make sure you touch up those details. I'm going to pause the video to color it. If I go too fast, you can always pause the video too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time on Pencil Girl. Bye!